7 anti-aging foods to make you look and feel younger. One of the most overlooked components of healthy aging is your diet. When you eat the right foods that deliver the essential minerals and vitamins that your body needs, your body will be more efficient at rebuilding itself with fully formed healthy cells. Over the last 50 years, science has given people a closer look at the foods that provide amazing anti-aging benefits. Here's an explanation of these foods and how you can use them in your search for foods that have natural anti-aging benefits. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so you'll get notified of our next video when we release it. Turning to a natural anti-aging diet to help with anti-aging is the natural next step to help stay healthy and young-looking and make your skin glow. Here are 7 anti-aging foods. 7 anti-aging foods to make you look and feel younger. Number 7. Grapes. One of the most potent anti-aging components found in food is resveratrol, which can be found in the fleshy skin of darker grapes. In experiments, scientists found that resveratrol had the ability to protect some people from UV damage and help to reduce specific types of inflammation. There is a good number of supplements available for purchase, but it is almost always recommended for you to get the agent directly from ingesting the plant. Sources of resveratrol in food include the skin of grapes, blueberries, raspberries, mulberries, and peanuts. Number 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of essential vitamins and minerals, along with a few important micronutrients. One of the most widely known vitamins that can be found is vitamin C, which helps to keep the skin from getting wrinkled. Many of the pomegranates can provide some protection from free radicals, as well as help to maintain and protect your stores of collagen, which is needed for full healthy features in the skin, especially sections that are stretched thinly over bone. The best way to gain this nutrition is to actually ingest the pomegranate seeds. Number 5. Oats. In general, oats are considered to be a heart-healthy food, but it turns out that science has found another great thing about oats. What they found is that many foods on the market are processed or of a high glycemic value that can weaken the skin by shocking the system during spikes in blood sugar. One thing that oats are known for are their amazing ability to soothe the skin. This can be done by applying directly to the desired area. For people unfamiliar with the world of skincare, oatmeal holds a place mostly reserved for breakfast cereals. But if you've gotten a chance to experience what oats in skin conditioner can do, then you know that it's capable of so much more. Oats are a low glycemic food that are easier to digest and are absorbed at an even and controlled rate that doesn't have a sudden system-jarring blood sugar spike which can weaken organs. As an added bonus, its topical use can soothe fierce skin irritations. This can be even useful for bug bites and rashes. Number 4. Oranges. Oranges and a few other citrus fruits are great for the skin. Much of this is due to vitamin C. But many fruits also contain a chemical known as lycopene that helps the body to retain certain types of soft tissue elasticity. This gives your body the ability to repair brittle tissues that have been worn out and need to be replaced. Number 3. Avocados. This fatty green fruit helps your body to absorb important nutrients more easily. These fats also help the skin to stay more properly hydrated. Avocados are also high in antioxidants and can help the body heal from years of damage to skin cells. When cells have the proper nutrients, they're more easily able to create proper copies of themselves. When the body misses nutrients, the new cells produced begin to make copies of unhealthy or flawed cells, which can lead to a large array of disorders. One easy way to incorporate avocados into your diet is to use them to replace mayo on your favorite sandwich. Number 2. Brussels sprouts. These tiny cabbage cousins are a really great source of vitamin A and vitamin C. These vitamins help your body to reinforce your cells so they have a bit of protection from the sun. Try eating them steamed or seared. Number 1. Coconut oil. This oil is great at helping the skin retain its moisture. You can use coconut oil in large quantities, and it's completely safe to use in any amount. The agents contained in coconut oil actually have the ability to help fill in spaces in the skin that create wrinkles. The great thing is that coconut oil has become so popular in recent years, it's very easy to find. People spend billions on skincare around the world every year, but many of these products contain man-made chemicals that can negatively affect the look and health of your skin in the long run. So give these 7 anti-aging foods a try to make you look and feel younger. All natural methods to help with anti-aging. Exclusive at getahealthyfitlife.com. Please subscribe, comment, or like this video.